guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am Anna Maria and you are watching Miracle Orchids, the place you can learn everything there is to know about growing orchids. Okay guys, so I have just had the most terrifying experience in my whole life. So I have soaked this orchid overnight, and from the basket came off about 3 or 4 webs, and I just killed them, I smashed them, and then I am reusing the water from this orchid to this one, and half an hour after I put this orchid in the water, I had about 30 wasps. Sorry, I'm not even sure how to pronounce this. So I had all of those in my bathroom, and here they are. Hopefully and fortunately for me, I had this sprayer. It is a 3-in-1 insecticide, fungicide and acaricide. The bad thing it is that I believe here I have a nest of waps, and I'm not sure what to do because their queen should be still there. This is has only spores, very lightly, so it's not like fluid. So I don't think it reached every single corner, everything. So right now I'm super afraid. I need a sort of repellent to put there and kill the nest. And to be quite honest, I am afraid to work out with it right now. I'm not sure what to do. So yeah, this is rather scary, and I really don't like it. Here I had some pebbles that I wanted to sterilize, and you can see how many of them. Some of them are not really even completely dead. I saw them moving earlier. Yeah, so please take care if you leave your orchids outdoors. You should make sure you don't bring any insects inside, because if my cat would have entered my bathroom, she would have tried to play with them, and probably they would have hurt her. So yeah, let me know if you know any solution for this, and I need to find something to make sure they don't make a nest anymore there in the future, because the orchid needs to stay outdoors. So right guys, leave your thoughts down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!